all different fields. If he wants to reach out, I'll walk through his space. But you know, those who are in it like every day, we're like, oh man, you burnt out. Is your first day back? Okay, where you at now? You forgot what it's called. Dang, oh my God, first date and forgot what it's called. Huh? Oh yeah, off of 186 or something, 187. Yeah, dope. Are you a provider or are you a lead teacher? Or oh yeah, that's dope. Man, I've been trying to get you to do that job for a long time. Yeah, I suck.
Saw when you were texting me, and she was like, "How do you know Ben?"
Yeah, they all know me, Big Bad Wolf.
I've heard about it.
Yeah.
I tell my
Yeah.
business.
For some reason, like a lot of these childcare providers know me more than I know them, and I was like, because I don't know who she is, like, but I know of her school. I mean, I think they got like $1 million or something like that to create, or 750,000 or something. Yeah, they got some real big money. Oh, problem in the house. No worries, no worries. So I would say you have to lean on your circle, right? Your circle of people who know how to do things or have these opportunities, because you never know. My man is like he like reviews them. For instance, we've been talking about different grants, right? And putting them in. Someone who's seen, how many grants you think you've seen? Over 100 grants. So to say that Ben does it always right, no. Someone who's seen over 100 grants and who can actually be like, oh, I've seen this one was super detailed. This one wasn't as well. You know, it's not always so chat GPT thrown in there. Can you tell if a grant is chat GPT'd or just quickly done? Or like how do you, when you're looking at grants, what are you looking for in it when you're doing the process? So with homeless services, sorry, I feel like this is a lot what people want to hear, because a lot of times we're putting in these grant applications, and we're putting in, like, we see the bid right in front of us, right? And we say, oh my gosh, how do I get that? And a lot of us don't want to spend 20 hours on a grant just so someone could tell us no. If you were to give us some advice from a person who has seen grants, looked over them, what's like two key points outside of collaboration? Because you said collaboration was one of them, but what's two other key points that we should focus on when we're building these grants to see if we can get them? So I'm bouncing things off. So I put in a grant, and this is good for everybody to hear, because even Shapri, am I saying your name wrong? Look, I'm just making sure. At least I said your name. Listen, I talk to Denise all the time. I called her Desiree twice. Okay. If you're putting in an application, right, and you're saying you're doing all this work, you guys are actually going to the website and saying, let me see what they're talking about and seeing if they're matching.